Welcome back MK Car Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic classic American pickups ever built, the 1970 Chevrolet C10. If you're a fan of vintage trucks, raw mechanical charm, and the golden era of American engineering, then stick around because this full detailed review is going to give you everything you need to know about the 1970 C10, its design, performance, driving feel, reliability, restoration costs, and the prices you can expect to pay for one today. The 1970 Chevrolet C10 sits right in the sweet spot of the second-generation action line trucks, produced from 1967 to 1972. Many collectors consider the 1970 model year one of the best and cleanest designs Chevrolet ever put on the road. It carried the perfect blend of old-school styling with a more refined, almost car-like driving experience. You get that squared-off classic American pickup look, but with just enough comfort and practicality to make it useful even by modern standards. Let's start with its exterior styling. The 1970 C10 features the iconic horizontal grille, dual headlights, a wide, confident stance, and those clean body lines that age like fine wine. The chrome bumpers, classic Chevy badging, and the long straight steel body panels make this truck stand out in a way modern pickups simply can't replicate. The 1970 model also introduced some small refinements, including updated trim packages and more vibrant factory paint options like Hugger Orange, Light Olive, and Medium Blue. Many trucks today still proudly wear their original color, giving you a strong glimpse back into the early 70s era. Move inside the cabin and you'll find simplicity at its finest. The dashboard layout is straightforward and durable, featuring large analog gauges, a metal dash, and a classic steering wheel that feels substantial in your hands. Comfort was surprisingly solid for the time, thanks to Chevy's upgraded coil spring suspension that made the C10 ride smoother than many other pickups of the era. Even though the interior was basic, you got the essentials: good visibility, comfortable seating, and a practical layout built to last decades. Most restored models today come with upgraded upholstery, retro-style radios with Bluetooth, and slightly refined materials, but the authentic feel remains. Now let's talk performance, because the 1970 Chevrolet C10 wasn't just about style, it had serious power options for its time. Under the hood, buyers could choose between several engines. The most common were the 250 cubic inch straight-six and the 307 V8, but the real star of the lineup was the legendary 350 small block V8. Producing around 255 horsepower and strong torque, the 350 made the C10 feel lively, strong, and incredibly reliable. Many enthusiasts still say the small block Chevy V8 is one of the most dependable engines ever made. This truck could tow, haul, and cruise with ease, and its engine parts remain cheap and easy to find even today. Driving the 1970 C10 is a completely different experience compared to modern trucks. It's mechanical, raw, and engaging. You feel the road, the engine, and the truck's weight, which gives it a character you just don't get anymore. The rear-wheel drive layout combined with the coil spring suspension makes the truck surprisingly smooth, and whether you're taking it to a car meet or cruising